Hi guys, starting a career in tech as a Scrum Master, business analyst, project manager, software tester, data analyst, and many more. If your first stop is to get certifications like PSM, Prince2, PMP, AWS, and others, you are mistaken. What you truly need is hands-on experience. Learn about tools and methodologies like Jira, Azure DevOps, Conference, Miro, Agile, Scrum, Sprints, Power BI, Tableau, and SQL. At Learn with Pride, we offer a platform that provides you with hands-on experience equivalent to 2 to 3 years in the industry. Through our program, you implement projects with a full Scrum team, receive mentoring, access one-on-one support sessions, and gain the skills necessary for success. Want to learn more? Click the button below to sign up for our webinar where I will share my journey into tech and explain how you can achieve your goals. Join us and take the first step towards a successful tech career. See you at the webinar.